So friends, let's see today's delicious mushroom and bacon pasta or macaroni. Now here I've just chopped up about 100 grams of bacon. I'm going to fry it really well till it's crispy. I've also taken 1 cup of pasta, or you can use macaroni like I am doing, and just cook it in about 2 or 3 cups of water, to which I've added a little bit of olive oil and salt, and cook it to you know what you like it. I like it al dente. Reserve the pasta water. Now I've also taken about 200 grams, that is 1 general packet of mushrooms, washed them clean, taken off the stem and chopped them really fine and fry them in some olive oil till they are nice and golden brown in color, and then transfer them to a bowl. Now I'm also taken 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and mixed it with 3 teaspoons of pizza pasta sauce. Now in the same pan I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and you don't need to heat up olive oil. So the minute you add the oil, just add some garlic. I've taken about 6 large cloves of garlic and chopped them really fine. Now saute the garlic till it's nice and golden brown in color. Then I'm going to add just 1 small onion that I've chopped up roughly. You can chop it up into cubes. And 1 very small capsicum, I've chopped it up into medium-sized cubes. Now I'm going to add the chili flakes and the pizza pasta seasoning. About 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust the seasoning and the pepper powder and the salt according to your liking. Add some salt to taste. Mix everything really well. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of plain flour or maida. Basically we're preparing the white sauce. You don't have to prepare it separately. I prepare it while I'm making the pasta in one pot itself. Add 1 cup of milk. So this is the white sauce or the bechamel sauce that generally we use for pasta. You don't need to make it separately. You can make it in the pan. And as you see, as you keep stirring, the sauce will start to thicken. Now I'm just going to add the mushrooms. And we're cooking everything in olive oil, so it's really healthy, no butter. You can even substitute the maida with some whole wheat flour or oats flour. Now add the cooked pasta. Mix the pasta in well, or the macaroni. I generally like to use macaroni because it cooks faster. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta water, because this will absorb the water really quickly. So we don't want a dry pasta. Mix everything well. Now I'm going to add the fried bacon. And I'm going to add a little bit more of pizza pasta seasoning. You can adjust it as per your taste. And now I'm just going to add some lovely grated cheese. You can add as much or as little as you like. Give everything a stir, and your lovely mushroom and bacon pasta or macaroni is all ready to enjoy.